5, 6, 7, and 8 is a transition. So those transitions, we're not moving our feet, however, we are moving our body. So what I'm going to do, since I'm not dancing on the transitions, I have to attack them. Because if I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have to attack that 4. And now that I do that, the reason we attack is to go to a different time. So now we're not dancing a tiempo, we're dancing contra tiempo. And forward. Basila drill is 1, 2, 3, and hold right here. We come out of it with a 6-step turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we default to classic if there's nothing else called. Setenta, more or less. We're gonna close with a gancho, so that's all Miami style. Here's where we put in the travel around Detroit, okay? On the people mover. So we come here, bop, bop, and now we're going to travel around Detroit. There's the Renaissance Center, bop, and ratan. We come out just to make sure we covered everything, and then we're there, okay? See how she's to that center. Now we're doing a chufla, and then we're out here. Finish the axila, and then we're here. She needs to feel stretched because remember, we're walking now. And I'm going to replace and find her hand. Okay, and then we turn opposite way. Okay? There's tension here. All right, so when I walk, right? So I'm bringing her with me, but the lead is my extended hand. Okay? So, as I bring her, right, left, right, left, right. I'm going to stretch. She's going to stay in place, and then I turn her to myself to come out. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to go right, left, right. And open, passes left. 1, 2, 3. And here we go. And then come out. So actually we're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right.
And for the followers, those 6 steps is going to be used to do a whole circle. So you're going to end up right where you started. It's important that you do that with purpose. You're going to feel the lead, but if you don't walk purposefully, you're not going to make it. So 3 steps for the first half circle, 3 steps for the last 3, so you end up with the beginning on the side again.
And if you really start to process this, there's the revolution and the revolution inside of it. Okay? So when we're coming from this place, here, right foot, we're going 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to turn inside the catcher. So there's a smaller turn within the big, right? So Rueda is designed to be looked at it from over top. Right? We always look at it like this, but it's designed for you to look over as a flower, right? And that wheel should open in different ways. So if you see that happen from up top, that's how you have to visualize what's going on. Okay? You already know we're starting with left foot. What you may be missing is here. So I'm going to go bop, bop, change.
Oh.
And then bop, bop, boom. Line, and I go under. Okay? Setenta, Detroit, 2, and we're going around. And true fly. We lock, and 5. We're coming through, and walk, 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 replace, and down the line, and 5. Okay? So we're going through, and this is Miami style. So Kentucky, chufla, doble, and then we ronde and come out with a dilequeno. Okay? And so it's just like that, but it's one hand. We're going to kick, and I'll show you the variation, and this is it. That's it. Okay? So it's a variant of Kentucky. So what's going on where the thing, the little thing, right? What's the thing of this is here. Bam, you gotta get this elbow. Okay? So followers are going to want to try to give it to you and all that, but that's only because you know it's happening. My hand needs to stay here and my partner comes to her hand. I'm not going to bring my hand to my partner. Okay? That's when you see the lips like, it's like, are you trying to choke me? You can't do it, but it's like, that's the feeling. It's a sense of that. So what we're going to do is just go in, boom, and I'm going to lay my hand right here. She comes into it. I give her the elbow, and then there's another ronde, ba. This turn should have been taught first before the other one, but I wanted to give you that one because it's so long. Now we can just get through this one very quickly. All right? So if I'm here and I'm in this move, if you are doing this, then you're good. All right? You don't want to reach out of there. So there's only one arm available, and it's the one right there. That's the elbow. You don't want to go reaching behind for this one. The other thing is we both turn in the same direction. So we're both rotating in the same direction. That's what's cool about this one, I think. That's the element. Okay? The other element, when we go around Detroit, there's a big Rueda and a smaller one inside of it. In this one, we revolve at the same time. Okay?